Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to insert image in element in Canva using your mobile device. So let's get started. First, choose your recent designs that you working on. At the bottom, you will see the elements icon, then tap it. Just scroll down to look frames. Here, as you can see, there's a lot of shapes that you can use. Now, choose a shape that you want, then tap it. Tap the X button at the bottom. Then, tap the upload icon. Choose a image, then tap it. Just drag it going to your shape to insert it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.